how changes in your brain can affect how you perform in exams? As teenagers, on top of puberty and coping with changes in our bodies, we also have to cope with big changes in the way our brain is organised. Imagine your brain is like two major construction zones, the prefrontal cortex and the limbic system, which is where your two amygdalae sit. The prefrontal cortex, up front and centre, handles all the heavy thinking stuff like decision making, problem solving, and making sense of your emotions and physical sensations. Meanwhile, your amygdalae, nestled deep inside, are like your brain's personal alarm systems, always on the lookout for danger. This is the part of the brain that triggers your fight or flight response. During puberty, your prefrontal cortex undergoes some serious building work. All that learning you've done so far throughout your life, well, it's time for a proper sort out and reorganisation. Whilst this is going on, the controls for things like reading facial expressions and speech are temporarily relocated from this logical part of the brain into the amygdala, the alarm centre, to keep those skills safe while the construction work takes place. It makes sense when you think about it in evolutionary terms. Being able to spot a threatening facial expression would have been essential for survival, so that function gets special treatment to protect it and keep you safe. However, whilst the limbic system is good for the essentials for keeping you alive, it isn't as sophisticated as the cortex, so it might misinterpret a facial expression, and it's going to err on the side of caution and treat something as a threat even when it might not be. Understandably, this huge remodelling project in your brain is likely to impact how you feel during your days at secondary school. For example, a maths exam is designed to assess your problem-solving skills, but you're there queuing outside the exam hall with your amygdala trying to alert you to something it thinks is a threat, rather than letting you get on calmly with logical reasoning. Feeling anxious or frustrated about exams is your amygdala's way of trying to monitor the situation and help, even if it doesn't feel like it. A little bit of anxiety is a good thing, right? It helps you pay attention and it keeps you energized so you can focus and concentrate. But the amygdala can flip into panic mode. So be gentle on yourself. It's important to take your time to calm down your amygdala. Take some deep breaths, try not to jump to conclusions, and take a moment when you sit down at that desk to do something that you know works for you to prevent your amygdala from going into full-on fight or flight mode. Think of this skill of staying calm and in the zone so that your frontal cortex can be as available and as online for you as possible as one of the skills that you're practicing as you take your exams. That's the life skill right there. It's not all about the academics.